Make your move to Sable Palms and enjoy the distinctive lifestyle you've been dreaming of. You'll reside conveniently close to major thoroughfares, allowing fast access to fantastic local shopping, medical centers, and downtown Charleston. The nearby golf club, recreation center, and sandy beaches offer lots of opportunities for fun in the sun. At Sable Palms, we strive to provide the ultimate in customer service and a beautiful community full of top-notch features. Stay active with a game of sand volleyball or take advantage of our 24-hour fitness center. There's also a pet park for your four-legged friends. When it's time to relax, head to our glimmering pool for a swim or some time on the sun deck. You'll also have access to our 24-hour laundry center. Your home offers even more to love. Our attractively designed 1, 2, and 3-bedroom floor plans include options like ceiling fans and air conditioning, washer and dryer hookups, and extra closet space. Select homes boast a sunroom or a kitchen island, and rentable garage parking and storage units are available. Just ask for details. Your eat-in kitchen comes equipped with a full appliance package, including microwave and dishwasher, as well as double stainless steel sinks. We can't wait to welcome you to Sable Palms. Come discover a resort-style community you'll be proud to call home.